What's the name of this fall? Huh?
Malagandis.
Malagandis Fall. With Doughboy, Jessica, and Ann. And we're leaving now, and I want to film going up this hill because I didn't have it ready when I come down the hill. And what town is this near? Titay. Here it's not so bad. You got steps. Go ahead, hon. I'm old. I'll slow you down, hon. They have bamboo for holding on all the way up, so that's good. It's not so bad here where the steps are. But then it turns to roots. Which would be really fun if it was wet and muddy. And see if they have to carry me up this hill before it's done. This is kind of like the one in Hawaii that was muddy and wet. Me and Mikkel went up and down. But it had no bamboo rails to hold on to. You okay, hon?
Dying.
Dying? You want me to carry you? Hop on my back, hon. Oh, this wasn't so bad. Seemed to me harder coming down than going up. Oops, don't fall. Little hut.
Busog kay kapag abot sa taas. Gutomon ka.
Huh?
Yes, why not?
Yeah, let's go down and up again.
Tomorrow again. Tomorrow. Pwede ka na buntag kay kapoy. Iduhan yung balik ko.
So that wasn't so bad.
Ako, pagkuti.
And we're already back to the truck. Oh, I threw it in there. I thought I unlocked that. Okay. And that was the climb up. I got drone video I'll be showing, so you'll get a good look. It's really nice down there. Tagbilat, or Malagandas Falls, is near Tite on the Zamboanga Peninsula. It is near the barangay of Malagandas and sits on the Tagbilat River. Coming from Liloy, it's about a 47-minute drive. It's about 34.5 kilometers. And if you're coming from Ipil, there you can take the route through Ipil. It's 31 minutes or 16.9 kilometers, excuse me. Or you can go down through Tite, and it's 32 minutes or 19.5 kilometers from Ipil. Tagbilat Falls, like I said, is also known as Malagandas Falls. The upper level has a small cascade, and the base is about 30 feet tall with the waterfall and kind of a cave in it. It is believed to be the grandest fall in Zamboanga, Sibugay. Now, while we were there, there's not many people there. There's a swimming hole hit there. Pretty nice area to relax and cook, which Ann and everywhere we go, they cook food. So you see here, they're cooking, getting ready. Nice day we were there, beautiful. No rain. I could imagine if we got a lot of rain that there would be a lot more water on the falls, and the river would probably be more water there too as well. I would be cautious of the weather in case of flash flooding. Keep an eye on the weather if you go there. It's a, as you see in the video going out, it was a pretty good climb coming out, but not too bad. You have rails to hold on to, so that makes it nice. The road going in is passable. I wouldn't want to try to pass another vehicle on it. Once you get off the paved road, the road going in is called Losadan Road, I believe. And there's a parking area at the top with like a pavilion. Now the swimming hole, I'm not sure how deep it is. I never did go swimming while we were there. I did see other people swimming, if I remember right. It's been a while since we were there. I filmed this a few months ago. But it was a nice, relaxing place. Good place to enjoy yourself, have a day out, picnic, whatever. Near the parking area, there's a little hut where you pay to get in. I think we paid as we came out, but it's only 25 pesos a person, which is $50 each. And of course, you can stay there all day. If you're in the area, it's not crowded when we were there anyway. And I recommend you come check it out. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye, y'all.